Hey, welcome back everyone. A while ago I posted a video of me playing a solo over the Allman Brothers song Dreams. I had a few requests to go over the rhythm track that I was playing in that clip and also a little bit of the solo that I was doing in the D mixolydian. So what I thought I'd do in this video was go through what I was playing for the rhythm track and also go over a little bit of what I was playing for that D mixolydian solo, and also when I went into kind of a D minor pentatonic near the end of that solo. The rhythm for this song is really basic. It's just a D11 chord into a D7 chord. So to do that, you're going to start here at the 5th fret, 5th string, that's our D note, and you're going to bar that across the 5th fret, and then put your pinky here at the 8th fret, 2nd string, right, like that. That's a D11. That's the first chord. And then you're going to go to a D7, which would be right here like this. D7 is just like the D major, except you're lifting your middle finger here and you're dropping this string down. Instead of barring that string, the 3rd string, you're actually playing the 3rd string down here is barred with the index finger on the 5th fret. So here it is again. It's this D11 would sound like this, and then D7, D11, D7. It's easier to think of the rhythm as far as how to strum it in 3/4 time. So counting wise, let's do that in 3/4 time. That would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3. So I have a loop recorded. I'm going to play that, and we're going to add a bass line, and I'll show you what the bass line is. Very simple bass line, but there's a part at the end that's important. Bass line is going to start on the D, walk down C, and then A. So it would sound like this. So notice at the end there, and I'll turn it up just a little bit, but at the end there, it walks up from the A to the C. So it would sound like this. Alright, so let's talk about Duane's solo next. Now he's going to be playing it mostly out of this position right here where you would play a B chord. And what he's going to do is he's going to start off bending the 3rd string on the 9th fret, and he's going to bend it up a whole step. It would sound like this. I'm going to play that a little slower, and then I'll play it along with the backing track. And again, at the end of this video, I want to give you the backing track that I've been playing along with so that you can jam on it a little bit and try to incorporate some of these licks, and then if you need to rewind, you can do that too. But the notes that he's using to jam with in this position, if you want to just work on it in this position to get started, would be like this. Again. So we're ending on the D right there. Starting on a D and ending on a D. Okay, so here's that lick again, and I'll try to break it down a little bit more for you so you can see this. That's a little tricky right there, but it's a cool move that he does, and I'll try to break it down a little slower. also repeats the similar lick like that down here. And he does that on the treble pickup. He'll flip to the treble pickup, do that a little slower. So one thing Duane does leading into this solo is he's going to be playing this D note right here on the 5th fret, 5th string. And then this is a hammer on from the 5th fret to the 7th fret on the 4th string. You're going to hammer on to the A note. Then here you're going to hammer on to the octave of the D note right here. Again, from 5th fret to 7th fret, 3rd string now. So you're going to see me playing that leading into that bend for the solo. So let's try it. I'll start right away with the loop and this D note. Another cool lick he throws in down here too. After he's playing up here and doing the bends, you'll hear this. There it is again. Throw in some minor pentatonic in the first position, D first position. So I'll jam a little bit and then show you how you can go up to the minor pentatonic. It gives it a cool sound. Alright, well that'll do it for this part of the video. I will be doing other videos on this song because it's such a great song and there's so many different parts of it. Remember, hit that thumbs up, it definitely helps the videos. Hit the bell to be notified of any future videos I make. So what I'll do at the end of the video here is I will play that loop and I'll have an extended maybe 3 minutes or so of the loop playing so that you can play along with that, jam along with some of the riffs I was showing you, and hopefully that'll get you started. So leave me some comments. I'd love to hear what you think about it. Is it helping you? Do you have any questions? Was I not clear on something? And I'll try to clarify in the next video or in the comments. So have fun, and I'll see you on the next video.